Hello, ladies and gentlemen. Namaskar, Sat Sri Akal, Salam. This is Amit Kapoor. Today I'm going to talk about weekly prediction, which is started to 22nd of Feb 2021 to 28th of Feb 2021. You know very well my all predictions are based on your ascendant sign, nothing to do with the moon sign or zodiac sign. Let's start for the Aries ascendants. Aries ascendants from 22nd of Feb to 28th of Feb 2021. You need to be careful while signing any document. Don't show your trust on strangers and try to put your more efforts at your workplace. You're not happy, you're not satisfied because Mars is in conjunction between Rahu Ketu, two natural malefic planets, and your ascendant lord hemmed between Rahu Ketu, which is not very promising. So you need to be careful during this time. Don't show your trust on anyone. Don't invest your money as an investment in stock market or anywhere, because you may get some type of problem related to your investments. Just put your 100% efforts at your workplace. If you are in job, then you need to perform your best to make your seniors satisfied and happy. Otherwise you will be a part of any problem. Otherwise you will be a part of any tension, stress will arise. So you need to be careful and must chant mantra Om Sita Ram Shah Hanumate Nama. Must read Hanuman Chalisa before you sleep 3 times, 5 times. It will be a very helpful for you. It is this whole week from 22nd of Feb to 28th of Feb. You need to perform your best. Just give your 100% best if you want to grow. Otherwise, this whole week will bring a lot of negative energy. You're feeling very down and upset. You're not in a comfort zone. Even you are not enjoying yourself because some work will be pending and you are trying to put your 100% effort to clear your work, which is create some problem because you are trying your best, but you never get a good response in this week. So try to make a good relationship with your friends and family. Must take blessings from your mother's side, and mother health will be a matter of concern. Monday and Tuesday will be a struggling days for you when you will face a lot of obstacles, hurdles related to your profession. Don't give any promise to anyone to deliver anything. Otherwise, your promise never fulfill during this week. You need to be careful about your health. Must go for the blood test and urine test once in a week. And Wednesday and Thursday you will feel bit better, but this is not very promising week for you. Wednesday and Thursday, some unexpected expenditures will irritate you. You are not in a comfort zone. You are feeling very low energy, and your things are not working as per your expectations. It is just need to be patient and must chant Lord Hanuman mantra or must chant Lord Hanuman Chalisa every night before you sleep. You will definitely feel good energy and positive mind. Now I'm going to talk about Friday and Saturday. Friday and Saturday is you will get mixed result. In the day of Friday, you will feel much relaxed because your seniors will be satisfied from your performance, and you will earn very good money from your investments. But that earning is not as per your expectations. So you need to be careful while investing your money. This whole week is not very promising for you, and must give respect to your spouse. Must give respect to your elders at home, and health of your mother will be a matter of concern on the day of Friday and Saturday. You take care of your mother health. Try to put your efforts at your workplace. If you want to grow, if you want to do something extraordinary, then you need to perform the best. Just deliver your best at your workplace, then you will definitely get good results. Now I'm going to talk about Taurus ascendants. Taurus ascendants from 22nd of Feb to 28th of Feb 2021. This whole week brings a lot of stress for you. You are not mentally happy. You're feeling very low energy. Even your arrogance nature, your stomach, your arrogance nature, and your behavior is not very promising about with your colleagues at your workplace or with your husband or with your loved one. So you need to be careful. Mars Rahu conjunction is in your first house. Jupiter Saturn is in your 9th house. Your good fortune is in your favor, there is no doubt. But your ascendant lord is also combust. You need to be careful from 22nd of Feb to 28th of Feb. If you give your money to someone, you never get back. This is not very promising time for you. Guys, you need to perform your best if you want to grow. Otherwise, you will be a part of any problem. Just need to perform your best and but do whatever you are doing with honesty. And second, Taurus, in the family front, you will face a lot of up and down. Your family is not supporting you. Even your family will, demanding something from you which you are not going to deliver. So relationship with your family, relationship with your colleagues, relationship with your seniors will be under shadow during this week. From 22nd of Feb to 28th of Feb, you will face a lot of obstacles, lot of hurdles, lot of delays at your work. So if you are waiting to someone, if you are waiting to some good news, then this whole week brings this whole week brings lot of challenge for you, and you need to be patient because this is not very promising week for you. Don't show your arrogance nature, don't show your egoistic nature, or don't be stubborn in front of your spouse or your loved one. Otherwise you will face a lot of problems, lot of obstacles, and a lot of issues in your relationship as well as your professional life. Be positive, do your best, because ninth lord is in ninth house, will definitely protect you. And now I'm going to talk about Gemini ascendants. This whole week from 22nd of Feb to 28th of Feb, you will be a part of any type of problem. Some legal matters will arise, and some unexpected expenditures will irritate you. Monday and Tuesday, you are not feeling comfortable, you're feeling very low energy, and your health is not very promising. And this whole week brings very mixed results for you. Monday and Tuesday, you need to be careful while signing any document. You need to be careful while talking with your near and dears, because your relationship will under shadow. You try to give respect to your father and grandfather. Gemini, this whole week brings a lot of up and down. Wednesday and Thursday will be a good days for you, but you need to be careful while talking with others. You need to be careful while start anything new. This is not very productive time to start anything new. Just try to perform your best if you want to grow. Otherwise you will face a lot of problems, a lot of obstacles, and you will face a lot of hurdles, because Gemini this whole week brings a lot of problem at your workplace. If you are jobless, you are trying to find a job but you are failed because dynamics is not in favor. But if you have a good Mahadasha like Mercury Mahadasha, Saturn Mahadasha, or Venus Mahadasha, you may get some achievements, but transit is not helping for you. If you are interested to settle in foreign land, then this week give you very good opportunity, because Jupiter, Saturn, especially Jupiter, fifth aspect is in your 12th house. You will get very good response from foreign. If you are applying for work permit, you will get work permit. If you are applying for PR, you will get PR. Foreign activities will make you happy, and you will enjoy a lot of good things. Just need to perform your best and wait for the right moment. Be patient, be humble, and always try to perform your best with honesty. Gemini, this whole week brings a lot of challenge for you. Be strong from inside and face this challenge. You will definitely learn some new things in your life which will help you a lot in near future. Now I'm going to talk about Cancer ascendants. Cancer ascendants, 22nd of Feb to 28th of Feb, you will see a very positive results in the terms of your profession. Some unexpected money will make you happy. Monday and Tuesday is very rewarding days. Your old investment give you very fruitful result. You will enjoy all around success. Monday and Tuesday, you will earn a lot of money from your profession, and you will get a lot of new opportunities from other place. If you want to start something new, then you may start in this week, because Mars Rahu conjunction is in your 11th house, which is very good for you. Some new business opportunities you will enjoy, and some new business associates will know you. If you wanna invest your money, you must invest. This is very productive week for you, and you will enjoy all around success. Your siblings will support you, and you will enjoy all around success, and your siblings, your family, your friends will support you. And there is strong chances for some long distance and short distance journeys related to your profession, and you will get a lot of benefits. Monday and Tuesday, you will blessed with a big amount of money, and you will enjoy very good time. Your savings will rise. You will enjoy multiple sources of earning. Wednesday and Thursday, you again enjoy your good health and a good relationship with your siblings. And Monday and Tuesday will be a biggest game changer days for you, when you feel much relaxed and comfort, and you will earn a lot of money. Just try to perform your best with the honesty. You will definitely rock in this week. Cancer, perform your best, do your best. You are winner in all aspects of your life in the week of February from 22nd to 28th Feb. Friday and Saturday, you will see you will plan some, short trip with your family or friends, and that trip will make you happy. You will enjoy very good time with your family and friends. There's all-round success store in this week for you. Just chant the mantra Om Namah Shivaya, Om Namah Shivaya. Perform your best. You will definitely achieve a lot of good things. Let's talk about Leo Sanders. For Leo Sanders, from 22nd of Feb to 28th of Feb, you need to be careful while signing any document. Don't start anything new. And because Mars Rahu conjunction is in your 10th house, in Opchya Bhav, Rahu will give you fantastic results, but conjunction with Mars is not very promising for you. You need to be careful while trusting on anyone. Don't start anything new. You need to be careful while relation with your father or grandfather. And health of your father will be a matter of concern. And try to perform your best at your workplace. And this whole week will bring you mixed results. Things are not working as per your expectations. You are trying to put your 100% best, but you will get 40-50% results. So if you have a good Mahadasha like Sun Mahadasha, Mars Mahadasha, Jupiter Mahadasha, and they well placed in your natal chart, you may get some good result. Otherwise, you will face a lot of problems, lot of obstacles, hurdles, delay in your work. If you are, willing to do something new, then you have to wait in this week. This is not very productive week for you, from especially 22nd of Feb to 28th of Feb 2021. And don't trust on strangers, because this whole week brings a lot of up and downs. Monday and Tuesday will be a not very promising day to invest your money in stock market, in real estate. If you are any type of trader, if you are any type of shopkeeper, if you are any type of agent or any type of factory owner, don't start anything new. Don't do anything new. Even don't plan to do anything new, because you may bear some losses. This whole week brings a lot of up and down for you. Especially Monday and Tuesday is not very productive day. You may involve in any type of litigation or any type of court case. Leo, you just need to perform your best and be honest and humble in your all relationships. Don't give any wrong commitment. Don't give any wrong, words to anyone. And Wednesday and Thursday, you will be in a good zone. You will enjoy good earning, but that earning is not as per your expectations, because Mars Rahu conjunction is in your 10th house, which is not very promising. You try to put your best, but you will face a lot of challenging situation. If you are jobless or you're finding a job, then this is not a right week. Try to perform your best, because this whole week brings a lot of up and down for you. And stay positive, stay happy, and put your 100% best to finding a job. You will definitely get, but this week will brings a lot of challenge, a lot of delays, a lot of things are not working as per your plannings. You just need to perform your best and must take blessings of your father's side. If you have a Mars Mahadasha, if you have a Jupiter Sun Mahadasha, you will definitely get some good results, but that is not as per your expectation. Friday and Saturday will be a good days for you. You will invest, you will earn good money from your old investment, but I would suggest you don't invest your money in any business. Don't sign any new documents. Otherwise, you will face a lot of problems. You will face a lot of hurdles. Someone may cheat you. This is not a very good yoga in your 10th house, which is Mars and Rahu. Is create a Angarak yoga. It is called Angarak yoga, and it will give you a lot of up and down in your professional life. Sometimes you feel very good, and sometimes you feel very low energy. So it's better to have wait for the right time, and must consult with your nearest astrologer. He will guide you which time frame is good for you to start something new. And if you start anything new in this week, you will definitely bear some losses. So now I'm going to talk about Virgo Ascendants. Virgo Ascendants, this whole week from 22nd of Feb to 28th of Feb 2021, you will enjoy a lot of monetary gains. There is no doubt. New opportunity will knock you. You will enjoy very good health. You will enjoy some foreign trips or some long distance journey, and short distance journeys will make you happy. And you need to perform your best at your workplace. Your seniors will be satisfied from your performance, but they are demanding more efforts from you. And you will become a winner in this week. Especially Monday and Tuesday will be a rewarding days for you, when you will get very good results from your seniors. You will get very good results from your business partners. You will get a lot of new opportunity to invest your money in business or any type of new business venture. You may start anything new, but this is not very productive time because Venus is combust in transit. So don't try to start anything new during this period. And if you have some opportunities to start anything new, you have to wait. But overall, you will get fantastic results in the terms of your making money, in the terms of your respect, in the terms of your health. Your spouse will support you, your friends will support you, and you will get very good opportunities from far away place. If you are a stockbroker, if you are a stock investor, you will earn very good money in this week. There is no doubt. If you have a good Mahadasha and Antardasha in your individual birth chart, you will definitely steal the show, you will rock, and you will enjoy very good monetary, gains. And this whole week, your pending work will click and you will enjoy very good health. You will enjoy very good relationship with your family and friends, and something new will knock you. That will be a biggest game-changing time for you. Wednesday and Thursday, you will feel much relaxed and comfort. Mentally, you're feeling very positive energy, and you will, make a lot of business plan. And that plan will work for you, but after few weeks, Virgo, I just suggest you are entering in a very positive events of your life, because Jupiter Saturn conjunction is in your 5th house till 6th of April. I think you need to cash this opportunity with your hard work, with your determination, with your passion. The more you put efforts at your workplace, the more you get fantastic results. Try to perform your best if you want to grow. Now I'm going to talk about Libra Ascendants. Libra Ascendants, this whole week you will get mixed results because your Ascendant Lord is combust. You need to take care about your health. Some stomach related trouble, backbone related trouble, or nervous system related trouble will irritate you. Some skin related trouble will also irritate you. Libra, try to put your good efforts at your workplace, because you will face lot of problems at your workplace, because things are not working as per your expectation. Your seniors are demanding more efforts from your side. You are trying to perform your best, but you are failed to get good results, because this whole week brings a lot of up and down for you. Monday and Tuesday, you need to be careful while talking with your colleagues, with your friends, because this is not very productive time for you. Wednesday and Thursday, you may earn very good money from your business. If you're a businessman, you may get some order from overseas, but I would suggest you don't sign any new documents. This is apply for every ascendant, because dynamics is not very promising. Don't show your trust on strangers. Don't put your energy and don't put your money anywhere, because you will face a lot of problems, a lot of troubles. You just need to perform your best. You will definitely get fantastic results later on, not now. But this whole week brings a lot of up and down. You need to be careful about your health. You need to be careful about your spouse health. You need to be careful about your business. Someone may cheat you. Someone may involve you in any litigation or any problem. So try to avoid all these things. I'm going to talk about Scorpio Ascendants. Scorpio Ascendants, this whole week brings a lot of good news for you. Some long distance journeys and short distance journeys will make you happy, and you will earn very good money. Your source of earning will develop, and you will enjoy a lot of good comforts. This time, your friends or your family will support you, and your spouse will support you. If you are unmarried, you may get a good opportunity for your marriage. You may get a lot of good opportunities about your life partner, and you may get very good relationship. If you are in a love relationship or living relationship, your relationship may turn in a long-lasting relationship like marriage, and you will earn a lot of money from overseas. And you may get work permit, or you may get some foreign PR or residency in this week, because dynamics is in your favor. Jupiter Saturn is in your 3rd house, aspecting is on your 9th house, and especially Saturn aspecting is on your 12th house, which will give you a lot of gains from overseas. So if you want to start something new in foreign land, this is a very productive week for you. But I would suggest you have to wait for the right time. Don't sign any documents. You may apply for PR, you may apply for work permit. That is give you very fantastic results, and you will get PR and work permit very easily. And you may start some foreign business partnership with someone. This whole week brings a lot of opportunities related to foreign. You will enjoy all-round success, Scorpio. You just need to perform your best. The more you put energy and the more you put your efforts at your workplace, you will get fantastic result. If you are importer exporter, you will be happy with some foreign transactions will make you happy, and you will enjoy all around success. You need to perform your best. Be honest, be humble, be loyal, and must chant the mantra of Lord Hanuman, and must read Lord Hanuman Chalisa every night before you sleep. You will definitely rock, and you will enjoy a lot of comforts. Let's start for the Sagittarius Ascendant. Sagittarius Ascendant is this whole week from 22nd of Feb to 28th of Feb. You need to be careful about your health. Your health will be a matter of concern in this week. Stomach problem will irritate you. Your backbone related problem will irritate you. Unnecessary headache will irritate you. And you need to take care of your health. You need to take care of yourself, and must start some meditation or yoga every day morning. It will be help you a lot to give you a lot of strength, inner strength, which you need. Sagittarius, don't think negative about you and about your family. Try to perform your best. You will definitely achieve a lot of goals because your ascendant's Lord transit in your second house. And in this week, Monday and Tuesday, bit struggling days for you. You will get success, but after great hard work. You will get success, but after great efforts. Try to put your efforts at your workplace. You will definitely get a lot of good achievements. Otherwise, your seniors are not satisfied from your performance. If you are in job, if you are in businessman, you will definitely get some new orders from overseas. Sagittarius, you need to perform your best. Put your 100% best at your workplace. You will definitely blessed with the success. Success always comes for those who are trying to give our 1000% best. And if you're trying to give your 1000% best, you will definitely get 1000% good results. That is for sure. Monday and Tuesday, you need to perform your best, and don't use any wrong word in front of anyone. If you wanna start something new, you may start because your ascendant's Lord is in very good position. But Sagittarius, you must take blessings of your father and grandfather. It will be helpful for you. Wednesday and Thursday will be a biggest game changer days for you, when you will blessed with some extra source of earning. You will blessed with extra earning, and you will enjoy a lot of savings. Your salary will rise. Jobless people may get job, and you will enjoy all round success. Just try to perform your best. Sagittarius, this whole week brings a lot of positivity for you. Your source of earning will develop. You will enjoy all around success. A lot of gains stored in your destiny. Hard work play a big role in every person's life. Sagittarius, if you are doing your best and if you are put your 100% effort at your workplace, you will definitely blessed with a lot of achievements. You will fulfill your goals. I again repeat this, your ascendant's Lord transit in the Karaka Bhav in second house, which will give you a lot of good gains. Friday and Saturday, you will spend some quality time with your family and friends, and blessing of your mother will be a game changer act for you. Take care of your mother's health, do your best, you will definitely achieve a lot of goals. Now I'm going to talk about Capricorn ascendants from 22nd of February to 28th of February 2021. You will be a part of any problem related to your marital life. Try to give respect to your spouse. Keep your mouth mum. Be in patience. If someone try to cheat you, if someone try to harm you, if someone try to not caring about your emotions or feelings, you don't think negative, because dynamics is not in your favor. Venus is combust. Saturn is in your first house, aspecting is in your seventh house, which is a house of your life partner and business partner. You may be a part of any problem or any litigation related to your spouse or life or business partner. Keep calm yourself, perform your best, be patient, be relaxed. Sun always rise after deep darkness. Don't think negative about yourself. God is testing your patience, especially Saturn is testing your patience. If you pass the exams from Saturn side, you will achieve a lot. This year, 2021, it's the last year till April 2022, till the Saturn is in Capricorn. Saturn is testing your patience. Be humble, be polite, perform your best, give respect to your spouse. They may use wrong word for you, but you never use any wrong word against your spouse. respect play a big role. Performance play a big role. I give you one example, Capricorn. Joker know very well. People are laughing from Joker acts, but Joker still performing the best because this is the Joker duty. So same things apply for you. If you want to be in this relationship, then keep your mouth mum, be patient, be relaxed, trust on God, trust on yourself. You will definitely come out this struggling period. In professional front, Monday and Tuesday, little bit positive days for you when you will blessed with a good gains, smart gains are there, but things are not working as per your expectations. You are performing your best, but things are not working as per your expectations. Put your 100% energy, you will definitely achieve. If you think positive, if you perform your best, if you put your 100% efforts at your workplace, you will definitely get some good results. Capricorn, this whole week brings a lot of up and down for you. Mentally, you are not feeling comfortable. Mentally, you are not feeling relaxed. Weekend is not very promising for you. Some arguments with your spouse will create some problem in your love life. Don't use any wrong word. I am telling in every my video about Capricorn, about Gemini, because Saturn is one of the karmic planet, and Saturn placement for Gemini and Capricorn is not very promising. Trust on yourself, trust on God. You will definitely come out these struggling days. Don't give up. Face every challenge. And don't invest your money anywhere in this week. Don't trust on anyone. Keep your money in your saving bank account. It will be helpful for you in future. Otherwise, you will be part of any problem. Now I'm going to talk about Aquarius Ascendants. This whole week brings a lot of new opportunities for you. If you want to start something new, you may start. But moral of the story, your Ascendants Lord transit in your 12th house. If you start anything new in foreign land, you will definitely blessed with a lot of success. Good gains are there. Your health will fine in this week. You will enjoy all around success. You just need to give some time to your spouse. You just need to give some extra time to your spouse. The more you give respect to a spouse, the more you get fantastic results. Don't show your arrogance nature. Don't show your stubborn nature. Don't show your ego attitude in front of your life partner, in front of your business associates. Otherwise, you will face a lot of up and down. Aquarius, financial, you will be top. You will earn a lot of money Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday. These 3 days will be a biggest game changer for you. Your old investment will give you very fruitful results. You will enjoy all around success. You just need to perform your best. Put your 100% effort. Efforts play a big role. Hard work, honesty, dedication play a big role. If you are honest about your profession, about your relationship, God will definitely protect you. Aquarius, this whole week brings lot of positivity. If any foreign opportunity will knock you, must apply that opportunity in your life. You will bless with a big amount of profit. Try to keep your thoughts and your plan in your mind. Don't share your planning with someone because people get advantage from your planning. This whole week is very productive for you. You will feel much positive energy, relaxation of mind. I'm going to talk about Pisces Ascendants. This whole week brings a lot of good opportunities for you. You will be sky high and top. You will enjoy a lot of comforts. Your health will fine, and your family will support you. Unemployed people may get job because your second house Lord transit in your 6th house with Rahu, and Mars 4th aspect is in your 9th house. Good fortune is in your favor. You will bless with a lot of success. You will get name, fame, prosperity, honor, rewards. You just need to perform your best. The more you put your energy at your workplace, the more you get fantastic results. This whole week brings a lot of good opportunities for you. Monday and Tuesday will be a rewarding days for you. If you try to put your energy or efforts at your workplace, you will bless with a big profit. If you are any type of trader, manufacturing unit you have, if you are supplier, and if your business is linked with any short journeys or long distance journeys, you will bless with a lot of success, and gains are there. Be honest, do your work. Don't look here and there. If you only focus on your targets, you will achieve beyond your expectations. Money is not a big thing on this earth. Achievements play a big role. Achievements play a big things on this earth. Everyone have money, but very few people have a lot of good achievements. So if you want to achieve something in your life, be honest, be humble, live your life in a discipline, you will definitely rock. Pisces, perform your best. Monday and Tuesday will be rewarding days for you. You will get a lot of good opportunities. If you're finding a job, you will get job as per your expectations, because your ascendant's Lord transit in your 11th house. 11th house is a house of fulfillment of dreams and desires. 11th house is a house of gains, links with higher authority. And if your ascendant's Lord transit in 11th house, you will definitely get in touch with higher authority people and they will support you. You will get job very easily. You just need to perform your best. Blessings of your father and grandfather will be a biggest game changer act for you. Pisces, must touch feet of your father. Must give respect to your father. Donate. Must go for the charity on every Thursday at any religious place. It will be helpful a lot. You will earn a lot of money in this week. You will earn a lot of name, fame, prosperity, honor. Just need to perform your best. Be honest, be loyal, and live your life in a discipline. Thank you for watching my video. I'm praying for your happy future. Namaskar, Sat Sri Akal, Salam, Shukran, Jai Hind.